Hi friends, welcome to our exploration of the drug nomenclature in the pharmacology. Today we will uncover the rules and the conventions governing drug naming, enabling us to better understand and communicate about medications. Here today we are discussing the drug nomenclature. We all know that drugs have three categories of name, so I am writing this as drugs have three categories of name. First one is approved. We can say it's official, generic, or we can say it's a non-proprietary. No, second is the brand, trade, or proprietary name. Third, it is chemical name. We all are familiar about these names. The drugs have three categories of name. Drug have approved name, brand name, chemical name. So we are discussing all these three in this video. I'm drawing a table so that you can understand it very easily and clearly. Chemical name, it generally describes the molecular structure. So here I'm drawing a table here, or simply I'm writing it as its chemical name. Second is our generic name, and third is brand name. So you can recognize the drug by these three. Chemical name, we can say it describes molecular structure, and generic name, it often based on the chemical structure, and the brand name is the trade marked by the manufacturer. Okay, so this is a brand name. Here chemical name, we are understanding this by some examples. So here if I take a drug, namely an acetyl P aminophenol. Here it's the chemical name of which drug? It's the PCM, paracetamol, which is an NSAIDs. So here it's acetaminophen, PCM. Okay, then its brand name will be, it will be Calpol, Crocin, Tylenol. So here we have an example of a drug. Here it's an acetyl P-aminophenol. Its generic name is paracetamol and its brand name is Calpol, Crocin and Tylenol, the three brand names of this drug. So it is under the NSAIDs. So it's a non-opioid pain reliever and the fever reducer. Actually, whenever you feel like fever or the pain, you can try this. Then second example we can say acetyl salicylic acid, and its generic name is aspirin. Aspirin is also an NSAIDs. It also treats pain, fever, inflammation. Okay, and the brand name is of it are Disprin, Ecosipirin. Then third example we can take of diphenyl hydrogen sodium. Its generic name is phenytoin, and its brand name is Dalantin. So phenytoin is basically the class of medication called anticonvulsants. ठीक है, तो it's an anticonvulsant. तो एंटीकन्वल्सेंट्स क्या होते हैं? दीज आर यूज टू ट्रीट प्रिवेंट सीजर्स. ठीक है, सीजर्स को प्रिवेंट करने में हेल्प करते हैं. सो व्हाट आर सीजर्स? बेसिकली दीज आर द अनकंट्रोल्ड जर्किंग or we can say loss of consciousness, unconsciousness. ठीक है, and basically caused by the abnormal electrical activity in the brain. And what causes it? What are the main causes of the seizures? So there may be different causes. So among them are the head injury, it can be, or a stroke. So this is all about the drug nomenclature. So in this video we understood that the drugs have the three categories of name, generally have the three names: approved, brand, and the chemical. So thanks.